Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today we are going to DIY changing the glass for the rear camera on the S20. So you'll probably see the quality of this video a bit not as good as usual because I'm using my S8 to record this. And the reason why I'm changing this glass is not because it's broken, but because there is a scratch near the lens, as you can see over here. And yeah, very bad scratch. So this bad scratch actually causes a bit of an issues with my recording, especially under the sun. I will get a whitish tint to it, or when I'm recording at night, it becomes any source of light becomes a flare. So if you notice in my previous couple of videos, the video quality isn't as good, especially when I'm recording inside the car. It has a very mild white tint to it. So that's the cause of it, and we are changing this. All right, so let's get to it.